Hey guys, my name is Jania and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to make fluffy slime. There is a lot of different variations, but this is my method. So first I just mix in some color with white glue. You can mix the color after you make the slime, but I prefer to do it beforehand. And then I'm just mixing in some lotion so that it's extra stretchy and has nice clicks. And then I'm using Stay Flow as my activator. There's a lot of different activators out there that you can use, but this is the one that I found available, so it's the one I'm using. And you're just gonna mix it up all together. It can be very sticky, so I recommend keeping it in the bowl until it's at a consistency that you can manage without making a big mess. I don't know if you can tell, but I also have a plastic tarp on the counter just to make sure that no color or if none of the paint bleeds onto the counters. So if you have something like that laying around, I recommend you use that as well. So as you can see, I made the mistake of picking up the slime to start kneading it with my hands too early, and it made a big mess on my hands. So that is why I recommend you make sure that it's at a consistency that you can work with without making a huge mess, because it can leave a lot of dry glue on your hands and it's just a pain to get off. So now I'm going to be adding some shaving cream into the slime to make it fluffy. So you basically can add any amount that you want, but I recommend not putting too much, because if you do, it can take away the elasticity of your slime, so it won't be as stretchy. So I decided to put just enough to where it has a nice crunch to it when I squeeze it, but not too much. Alright, so that was the video. I hope it was helpful in guiding you on how to make fluffy slime. Thank you for watching. Bye.